5 minutes. That's all I need from you. If you haven't cooked along with us yet, this is the perfect recipe. And yes, I know for most of our recipes, we use plain old white rice, but variety is the spice of life. So we're gonna throw in some garlic today. If you're a meat eater, then you get a steak going on one side of the grill. If you're a vegetarian, then you get some big portobello mushrooms going on the other side of the grill. Line it up with some asparagus and you eat it with this garlic fried rice. Oh, let's start. And no preview today. This one's gonna be too fast, but we do need some ambiance. For fried rice, the first key step is to dry it out. That way it absorbs the flavors you put in the frying pan later. Let's do 1 full cup and then fan it out. See all that steam coming off of it? And of course, our main star are these garlic. We're gonna use 4 cloves of garlic. We're also gonna use about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And if you don't have a bag of minced garlic in your refrigerator, shame on you. Or just use 2 or 3 more cloves of garlic to get 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. This one, I'm gonna simply chop off the ends, and then we'll just cut this into thin chips. Good. And that's it for prep. We wanna work with a wok, or you could use a pot. Just the surface area should be around the size of your hand. This way you get a thin layer of oil and the garlic can sizzle in it. If you use too big of a frying pan, the garlic is just gonna burn. So measure this one. This is gonna be 3 tablespoons of oil. That's 1 and 3. And you see there's a thin layer of oil? Good. And while the oil is cold, we can already put in the garlic pieces and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. This way the garlic doesn't burn as soon as you put it into the frying pan. Now the second thing, put this on a medium low. Mix this around. And it should start to gently sizzle like that. And this frying process right here is making that garlic lose all of its potency. As soon as you start to see the minced garlic start to brown like that on the bottom or anywhere, you can take out a few of those pieces. Just a slight browning on the edges. Good. We'll take this out. We're gonna use this as garnish. Then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix that up together. And to this, we're gonna add in 4 good shakes of salt. And 4. To that, we're gonna add in our white rice. Mix this together. Oh yeah. A tablespoon of butter, and then just melt that in. Oh yeah. And then take a look. Wow. Put a few pieces of the garlic back here. Let's put the setting down, guys. And guys, here it is. This literally took like 3 minutes. All right, let's get a scoop and let's take a bite. Guys, that's beautiful. I love it when simple things taste just beautiful. That garlic infused oil with that soy sauce, I mean, they're like synchronized swimming. I mean, it's beautiful. 10.0. And whoa, one point I want to reiterate. When the minced garlic starts to just start turning color, that's when you want to put in the soy sauce and the salt and then the rice. Don't wait for the minced garlic or the garlic pieces to get like a crispy golden brown, or else you're gonna be bitter, I'm gonna be bitter, because the garlic is bitter, okay? Enjoy, guys.